Okay. So why we are using so Sapna is not here. Okay. Okay. So okay. So what is so I mean when we are doing IAS, so what all things are part of IAS? IAS means what? IAS means server. The server which we deploy, what I mean, what we maintain in case if we are deploying anything on the IAS, for example, server, we need to maintain the server. We need to, I mean, we need to configure the server. We need to know how to configure it, right? So that is the server. Then what else? We need to configure the storage. We need to maintain the storage. We need to maintain what next? Network. We need to maintain the network. We need to maintain the firewall. We need to maintain security. We need to configure everything. That okay, what we need. We need to, and once we will thing, even we need to select the location of it. Okay, so we need to understand the location of it. Where the pointer has gone. Okay. So we need to maintain the location where exactly we need to deploy our server, where exactly we need to deploy our firewall, our network, our storage. How do we need to configure the security? So location also we need to decide. We need to decide what else we need to decide. We need to decide the physical. I mean, when I'm saying location, which means the physical place where we want.
Region.
Availability zones, right? We need to decide the reason, right? So this is how. So these are part of your IAS. So what we are not managing, we do not manage in case of IAS. What we don't manage, we don't manage the data center, because the location of the data center is handled by Microsoft, right? And whatever we manage, we don't manage the hardware, but whatever we configure it by using software. In case if we, even though we wanted to create a server, we create the server using software, right? So we create it like that. Okay, so let us first understand how we are creating it. So for practical, we will start working from the Azure portal and Azure marketplace. Let us understand what is Azure portal and Azure marketplace. Okay, and then perhaps we will move forward for other things. Now, so Venkat, okay, going forward, okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you, just 2 minutes. So I'm just doing the sign in. So I hope, Virendra, you are not signed in, right?
I think you can, even you have signed in, it will pop up me to log out. Right?
Yes, Venkat. So better you log off. So in case if you are already signed in.
Sure, sure. Yes, I have logged.
Okay. So see, now Microsoft is sending a message that your account has been logged, and we are detecting some activity that violate our agreement and have been logged. And now it will send you a verification code. After that,
Girish, are you sharing your screen?
yes, I'm sharing my screen now. Just 1 minute. You can see it. Not sure. Okay. To see the intelligence. So you, I mean, I'm not sure by the time I entered it, in case if you doubt or not. But so it is saying like this. Now if I say next, so it should send a code to you, your phone number, and it will send a security code. We need to find out. Are you with me? When are you with me?
Girish, your voice is breaking.
Oh, my voice is breaking. My voice is audible to everyone?
It's
Or
aud-
is it just breaking?
it's audible, but it was breaking.
Okay, okay, okay.
Some echo like this.
Wait.